guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing another wig with you guys today, and she is from Hairvivi and her name is Vivian. She is the perfect blonde wig. I have been looking for a wig like this for so long. Those perfect blonde highlights, the money pieces in the front that look super natural with this mousy blonde and lighter ends. So this is underneath. Look at that. I'm not wearing a wig cap. I'm wearing like those jelly things that hold your wig in place, but I am not wearing a wig cap underneath this, and the hairline looks so natural. So I'm going to show you guys the inside of this wig. I'm going to show you the wig cap and why it looks the way it does. This is the wig straight out of the box. It is super pretty, but I wanted to talk a little bit about the inside if you guys were curious, because this is where it makes all of the difference. So this wig has a pre-made fake scalp. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically if I put this wig on top of my dark hair right now, it's not going to show the dark hair underneath. So that means no concealers, no foundations, no more bald caps. It is already done for you. It also has 2 clips on each side. So this way, if you know the wind is strong that day or anything like that and you didn't glue down your wig, it is not going anywhere because you have these 2 piano keys. You also have a really big one on the bottom that just gets shoved in the back, and on top of it you have this adjustable band. You can make it tighter, you can make it looser, which I thought was brilliant. Now let me show you a little bit closer up. I'm gonna show you this hairline on my hands. So this is what the pre-plucked hairline looks like close up. It has pre-bleached knots, it's real HD lace, and so basically the company just wants you to put it straight onto your head. You don't have to pluck it, you don't have to do anything, it's ready to go. You just have to cut the lace. All right, so now that I showed you guys the wig cap, let's get started. I'm gonna start putting on the wig and cutting the lace and show you guys exactly how I did it.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it 'cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met you, now I'm prettier than ever, took a second to forget you, boy, only one. If you wanted to hurt me.
All right, so this is my first time ever trying to do my own sideburns in a wig. And I'm not even gonna lie to you, I was terrified of doing this. I've never done it before, so I didn't know how much hair to leave, how much hair to take off. But it ended up working out. I just looked at my own sideburns. I have a little bit. And so I just kind of kept cutting until it kind of looked like mine. And so yeah, there was no technique here at all. It was just me basically hoping for the best. But this wig is so good and so realistic looking that I didn't have to worry too much, because it seemed like every time I would take off hair or think that I messed up, it just looked more natural. And yeah, so this wig is awesome if you are a beginner, because let me tell you, I do not know how to do this. I don't know how to cut lace properly, and it worked out. So it's a really easygoing wig, and it's definitely beginner friendly. So here I was looking, and I don't have naturally a lot of baby hair, so I was trying to take it off from the wig as well. Now you can leave it because the baby hair looked awesome, and I kept going back and forth not knowing if I should leave it or not, but it ended up looking better on me when I took it off. The more lace I took off, the better the wig looked, I find. So that is just what I'm doing here. I was just taking off all the lace that I could see, and yeah, mimicking my own hairline. Now on the both sides of my temple, I have hair that comes down to my eyebrows, so I know that I have that, so I tried doing it with the wig as well. And yeah, that's just what I'm doing right here, if you guys were wondering.
You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. 'Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for wanting out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2. I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad.
So you can see I'm really getting rid of all that lace. I'm really going in and just making sure all that lace is gone. It's basically, like I said, getting rid of all the hair, the baby hairs that some people would like, but I don't have that, so I'm just trying to take it off and go as close to the hairline as I can. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing right here. And then after that, you're gonna see I brush this out. Okay, when I brush it upwards, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I can't even believe it. Like, it really looks like it's coming out of my own head without any glue, without anything. It is so natural looking once you do this little step, so I like to do that. I've never seen a wig like this in my life. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna show you guys the whole 360. They have some kits that are super cool, and I'm just gonna show you guys what the little kits look like. It comes in this little silk bag. It's so beautiful, and it comes with 2 clips like this, so whenever you're cutting your lace from your wig, you can keep your wig back. It also comes with this type of comb, which is super important, and then it comes with this toothbrush comb, which is super good for making the hair look natural in the front. I love these, and after I found out about these, I never went back to anything else. So yeah, these kits were really helpful for me, and I'm going to leave this kit in the description down below if you guys want to get it. So yeah, that is it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more videos like this. You guys want me to keep going with these wig videos. You really seem to enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.